Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to add your name in a WhatsApp message easily so you can personalize your profile. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone and tap the 3-dot More Options icon. This icon is located at the top right corner of the WhatsApp home screen and it gives you access to important account options. Step 2. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This option is usually the last one in the list, and it takes you to the main settings page where all your WhatsApp account details are managed. Step 3. On the settings page, tap your profile picture at the top. This section contains your personal information such as your photo, name and details. Step 4. Next to your name, tap the small pencil icon. This edit icon allows you to change or update the name that appears on your WhatsApp profile. Step 5. Enter your name in the text field. You can type your first name, last name, or any nickname you want your contacts to see when they view your profile. Step 6. Tap Save to confirm the changes. This option saves your updated name and makes it visible to your WhatsApp contacts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful videos.